I will not do any high-speed turns because I know there's some alcohol in the trunk. Hello everyone, we are here in Alfa 159 1.9 liter JTDm engine with 6-speed gearbox, and we're driving on the highway. The car is so beautifully designed. Inside you feel really in a sports car. Of course, this engine is only 150 horsepower, needs some rem up, but still it's a nice highway cruiser with a very nice fuel consumption around 6-7 to 8 if you drive really aggressively all the time, but let's say 7 overall. And it has good 6-speed gearbox, which and good isolated from the noises coupe, so it's really nice driving in on a highway with speeds above 140, 160, and even with 180 it's still a nice car. So let's go and drive it on the highway. Yeah, it's really stiff and firm on the corners. Yeah, I like this. It's not found in every car. Most of the car leans, but this one is just perfect. Try to overtake from here. And 6th gear, you guys, you see 120 kilometers with little bit above 2000 RPM. So we feel really comfortable inside, no any strange noises except my annoying voice, of course. Let's try with 140, what will be the case there. Well, pretty nice, stable, quiet enough, but the wind is today, as I said, is more 2500 RPM with that speed, you can see, and comfortable ride. Let's see in 160 what will be the case there. Okay, really easy on 6th gear with that RPM to reach 160, no any too much push. Okay, really easy 180, so it's really easy to drive with that speed. Nice cruiser with this 6-speed gearbox, and the power range is good at that RPMs, so 140, 180. This car loves this marathon, as you can see here. Really nice. I don't feel driving with the speed, I feel it's really less. Let's see how this Alfa will cope with the acceleration. Okay, 100. Okay guys, you saw the acceleration to 140 kilometers, and here we should lower down the speed. Okay guys, this was a highway driving plus some acceleration video of this Alfa, so thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to our channel for new videos soon, and click the bell so that you have notification for every new video. Thank you guys, I hope you enjoy. Alfas are a great car and really adorable cars, really cheap to buy when they are old, so drive Alfas, really good cars. Thank you guys, subscribe, bye.